Hey everyone, and welcome back to Smart Income Masters, where we help you make money smarter. Today we're diving deep into 3 digital side hustles that helped me personally generate some serious income, and all without any upfront investment.
That's right. We're talking about building a profitable online business from scratch and just leveraging the power of the digital world.
Exactly. And if you're ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and take control of your financial future, make sure you hit that subscribe button because this episode is packed with actionable insights you won't want to miss.
Let's jump right into our first side hustle, print on demand, specifically targeting the ever-booming fitness niche.
Okay, so print on demand itself isn't exactly new,
Yeah.
but what's really changed the game is the emergence of incredible AI tools that have made the process so much easier and more profitable.
Absolutely. And the fitness market, it's a gold mine. People are always looking for new ways to improve their health and fitness, and they're willing to invest in products that support their goals.
So how did you combine these two? Because I know when people think print on demand, they often think of the usual suspects, t-shirts, mugs, the basics,
Yeah.
but you found a way to stand out.
For me, it was all about finding a product that was both practical and had that personalization element that people crave. And that's how I stumbled upon personalized gym duffel bags.
Duffel bags. Okay, now that's interesting. Tell me more about how that worked for you.
Well, I was browsing online and noticed that personalized duffel bags were gaining traction. People loved the idea of having a unique bag that represented their fitness journey. So I decided to give it a shot. I found a platform that handles everything from design to printing and shipping, which was a game changer because it allowed me to focus on the creative side and marketing.
So you didn't have to worry about stocking inventory or dealing with the logistics of fulfillment.
Exactly. They took care of all of that. All I had to do was come up with a design that resonated with fitness enthusiasts. I focused on creating bold, motivational designs that people would be proud to carry around.
That's a really smart approach. And how did you go about marketing these duffel bags?
I started by leveraging the power of social media. I created eye-catching visuals of my duffel bags and targeted fitness communities. I also ran a few targeted ads to reach a wider audience.
So you harness the power of social media to get your product in front of the right people.
Precisely. And the results were incredible. I was amazed by how quickly the orders started pouring in. It was clear that I had tapped into a real demand, but I didn't stop there. I wanted to expand my product line, offering something even trendier and more in line with current fitness trends.
So where did you go from there?
Well, I noticed that personalized supplements were becoming increasingly popular, especially custom branded protein powder and vitamin gummies. People loved the idea of having supplements that were tailored to their individual needs and preferences.
Personalized supplements. That's fascinating.
And the best part is they allowed me to tap into this trend as well. They offer a wide range of customizable supplement options, and just like with the duffel bags, they handle all the production and fulfillment.
So you were able to leverage the same platform to expand into a completely new product category that's incredibly efficient.
It was. I designed custom labels for protein powder and vitamin gummies, targeting different fitness goals and dietary needs. The response was phenomenal. People loved the idea of having supplements that were personalized to their unique requirements.
So you're telling me you built a thriving fitness brand selling personalized duffel bags and supplements all through a single print-on-demand platform.
It might sound too good to be true, but that's the beauty of print on demand. It significantly lowers the barrier to entry for aspiring entrepreneurs.
That's incredible. It sounds like you had a real knack for identifying trending products and tapping into that demand. But I'm curious, how did you go about creating the content for your products, especially the supplement labels, which require specific nutritional information?
Well, that's where the power of AI really came in handy. There are some incredibly sophisticated AI tools out there that can help with everything from generating product descriptions to creating compliant supplement labels.
So you used AI to streamline your content creation process. That's really smart.
It was a lifesaver. I was able to create professional-looking labels that included all the necessary information without having to spend hours researching and formatting everything myself.
That makes a lot of sense.
Mm.
But let's move on to your second side hustle, which I know involves tapping into the massive demand for language learning. Tell me, how did you venture into the world of online language education?
Well, I've always been passionate about languages, and I realized that there was a huge opportunity to create engaging and accessible language learning resources online.
But creating language courses sounds like a daunting task. Didn't you need specialized knowledge or teaching experience?
That's what I thought initially, but then I discovered the power of, you guessed it, AI.
Okay, I'm sensing a theme here.
Mm-hmm.
You seem to have a real talent for leveraging AI to build your businesses.
It's not just about talent, it's about recognizing the potential of these tools
Hmm.
and figuring out how to use them effectively for my language learning business. I used AI to help me create high-quality video content.
Video content. So you weren't creating traditional online courses with text-based lessons and quizzes.
Not exactly. I wanted to create something more dynamic and engaging, something that would really capture the attention of learners.
So how did AI help you achieve that?
I found an AI tool that allowed me to create videos from text prompts. I would simply input the language concepts I wanted to teach, and the AI would generate a video complete with visuals, voiceovers, and even subtitles in multiple languages.
No way. That's incredible. So you didn't even have to record your own voice or spend hours editing videos.
Exactly. The AI handled all the heavy lifting. It was truly a game changer. I was able to create professional-looking videos without any prior video editing experience.
That's amazing. It sounds like AI was instrumental in making your language learning business a reality. But I'm curious, how did you actually monetize these videos?
Well, initially, I offered the videos as a paid subscription service. People could sign up for a monthly fee and access a library of language learning videos. But then I had an aha moment that led to even more success.
What was that?
I realized that I could create supplemental printable products to accompany the videos, things like worksheets, grammar guides, and vocabulary lists.
That's a brilliant idea. So you were offering a more comprehensive learning experience and creating an additional revenue stream.
Exactly. And the best part is I could create these printable products using the same AI tools I use for the videos. It was all about finding ways to repurpose and leverage my existing content.
So you had your language learning videos generating recurring revenue through subscriptions, and you had printable products that offered an additional income stream. That's a really smart business model.
And it all started with recognizing the power of AI to help me overcome the barriers that were holding me back.
That's a valuable lesson for anyone listening who might be feeling overwhelmed by the prospect of starting their own online business. The tools and resources are out there. You just need to know where to find them and how to use them effectively.
I couldn't agree more. But let's not forget about the importance of driving traffic to your products and services. No matter how great your offerings are, you need to get them in front of the right audience.
You're absolutely right. You mentioned earlier that you found success with Pinterest for driving traffic to your print-on-demand products. Did you use the same strategy for your language learning business?
Absolutely. Pinterest is a fantastic platform for reaching a wide audience and driving targeted traffic to your online offerings.
So how did you approach Pinterest marketing for your language learning products?
Well, it was all about creating visually appealing and informative content that would resonate with people interested in learning languages. I created Pinterest boards dedicated to different language topics, showcasing my video lessons and printable products.
So you use Pinterest to showcase the value of your offerings and attract potential customers.
Exactly. And I made sure to include clear calls to action on all my pins, encouraging people to visit my website or sign up for my subscription service.
That's a really smart approach. You're essentially using Pinterest as a visual storefront for your online business.
Precisely. And the best part is Pinterest is completely free to use. You can start driving traffic to your products and services without spending a dime on advertising.
So you built two successful online businesses, leveraging AI for content creation and Pinterest for traffic generation, all without any upfront investment. That's incredibly impressive.
It might sound like a lot, but when you break it down into manageable steps and leverage the right tools, it's actually more attainable than you might think.
That's a really encouraging message for our listeners. It shows that with the right mindset and a willingness to learn and adapt, anyone can achieve their entrepreneurial dreams.
And remember, these are just two examples. There are endless possibilities when it comes to building an online business. The key is to find your niche, identify a problem you can solve, and then create a product or service that delivers real value.
That's great advice. Now, before we wrap up, I know you have one more side hustle to share with us. And this one is particularly intriguing because it involves a concept that many people might not be familiar with: digital real estate.
That's right. Digital real estate is a rapidly growing market with incredible potential for those who know how to navigate it.
Host speaker. That's right. Digital real estate is a rapidly growing market with incredible potential for those who know how to navigate it.
I think a lot of people focus on AI for content creation, which is incredibly useful, but they overlook its potential to automate tedious tasks, analyze data, and even generate new business ideas.
Okay, give us some examples. How did you actually implement AI automation in your businesses?
Well, for starters, I used AI-powered chatbots to handle customer service inquiries. This freed up a significant amount of my time and allowed me to focus on higher-level tasks.
So you're essentially using AI to provide 24/7 customer support without having to hire additional staff.
Exactly. And the chatbots are so sophisticated now that they can handle a wide range of inquiries from answering basic questions to resolving simple issues.
That's incredible. What other areas of your business did you automate using AI?
I also use AI to analyze my sales data and identify trends. This helped me understand which products were performing well, which marketing campaigns were most effective, and even predict future demand.
So you're using AI to gain valuable business insights that would have been incredibly time-consuming to gather manually.
Precisely. And these insights allowed me to make data-driven decisions, optimize my operations, and ultimately grow my businesses more effectively.
That's really smart. It sounds like you found a way to leverage AI to work smarter, not harder.
That's the goal. And the best part is there are so many AI tools available now that are both affordable and user-friendly.
That's encouraging news for our listeners who might be intimidated by the technical aspects of AI.
Absolutely. You don't need to be a tech wizard to leverage the power of AI. There are plenty of resources and tutorials available to help you get started.
This has been such an insightful deep dive. You've shared so many valuable strategies and real-world examples that I know will resonate with our listeners.
And remember, these are just a few ideas to get you started. The world of online business is constantly evolving, so stay curious, experiment, and never stop learning.
That's great advice. So to wrap things up, what's the one key takeaway you want our listeners to walk away with today?
The biggest takeaway is that you don't need a lot of money or experience to build a successful online business. What you need is a willingness to learn, a passion for what you do, and the courage to take action. The tools and resources are out there. You just need to reach out and grab them.
That's a powerful message. So to all our listeners out there, remember, you are capable of incredible things. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Embrace the power of technology, invest in yourself, and start building your dream business today.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Smart Income Masters for more deep dives into making money smarter. We're here to guide you every step of the way on your journey to financial freedom.
Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making money smarter.
See you soon.